I'm sorry, ma'am. She's judging. Hey, it's V. Nice to see you here. And today is November 1. Currently, it's 8:22 p.m. Actually, today's the day of the storm. This is not my angle. Maybe I can do it. Why am I doing this? So I just had my dinner, participated in a virtual mass, prayed for those who are really affected by the typhoon. I hope everyone is safe from the storm. I already offered my prayers to those people who are highly affected by this storm, even those who are, of course, we're still currently in a pandemic. Those who are highly affected by the COVID-19. So actually, I'm supposed to be at work today, but since of course there was a typhoon, they decided that we should be given a day off. And earlier this morning, I really didn't do anything much. Just slept the whole day, and I'm still adjusting to working after not doing anything for how long and just staying at home. So it really had to make some adjustments. Actually, I'm still feeling it. Body aches and all, and plus I'm currently on my cycle, so that's not really a good combination. Anyway, what I plan to do for the day, well, the day is almost over, but I really have a messy room that I need to clean up, fix up, because I have been really busy and I didn't really bother, or I was too tired to fix my things and put it on the right places. So if you are to look at this side of my room, you can see, yes, computer with a lot of things in such a mess. Look, even the paper is covering my keyboard, and then even on the side of the TV, yeah, I put stuff there that shouldn't be there. This is actually my first vlog. I don't know what I'm doing. I hope I'm doing it right. And if you're still here, I thank you. Before I clean my room, we have my lovely pet Kiwi cat. Kiwi. She needs to take a bath, actually. She needs to take a bath. You need to take a bath. I'm going to give her a bath because actually tomorrow I plan to take her to a vet and her, what do you call that? Spayed. It's been too long. She's already more than a year old. So later at 10 o'clock in the evening, not going to give her any more food or drink. Fasting is required. I'm going to give you a bath. So are you ready for your bath? She said, your intro is taking too long. Go do your thing already. So if you hear a cat who is screaming for her life, it's her. It's not that I'm doing bad things to her in the bathroom, but she just really doesn't want to take a bath. Like, I'm really gentle with her. I even like give her comforting words like, it's okay, it's almost done, just be still, mama's here. And you know what, I'm tired of it. She just keeps on complaining, and I'm like, you know what, child? Anyway, so we're gonna do the bath now. I actually already closed my door, and yeah, you can see my awful, disgusting face without makeup, which I usually cover up for people who actually meet me in person. So I'm so sorry that you have to see me like this. At least on my first vlog, very personal, nothing hidden. So yeah, let's go do the bath thing. So just finished giving Kiwi a bath. She's stressed because because of the bath. I mean, you can hear her screaming earlier. Before I go with the cleaning of my room, I'm thinking, why not take a shower first? I also plan to put on clay mask. I'm also in my cycle, so it's much more disgusting than usual. While I'm giving it time to dry up, I'm going to clean up my messy room. I take a shower. I'll be right back. Boo. No. This is my Halloween costume, even though it's very late already. I'm gonna clean my messy desk and then onto the one with the TV on. Yay! It looks decent, right? I think. I also made my bed. I don't usually do this. I'm just doing it for the vlog. I'm a very pretentious person. Can I, excuse me, ma'am? I'm sorry. Clean the one here. Because I actually usually put clutter over there, you know, because it hides. I don't know why I bother cleaning my stuff when I'm not even doing it that well. Oh, and look, it hasn't dried up yet. Well, on the most part, still have to wait, or should I wash it off already? Anyway, I'm gonna wash this off and then I'm gonna get dinner again. Here's what I'm going to cook. Not sponsored, but yeah, this is what I'm. It's mild. Usually I don't eat anything spicy, but this quarantine changed my palate to liking spicy food. I'm going to cook two. These two are already my last stock. I really like this one. Maybe next time I'm going to get a spicier version of this one. I'm going to cook this one. Yeah. It's noodles. Noodles. Finally. Look how much is still left. I'm going to ask JC if he wants any of the noodles. I hope he's still awake and maybe I could give this to him. If not, I'm going to be forced to put it in the refrigerator. Reheating noodles, it's a no-no. I really can't eat anymore. I just hope JC would eat this for me. Kiwi, you wanna eat noodles? Kinain nga ni JC. Gonna eat dessert. Ano ba to? Pastillas? Pastillas na hindi nirolyo. Kasi tinamad na kami. Ito na, kain ko na ang pastillas. Gusto mo rin yun? No. Kiwi! Good morning. Yeah, After I ate last night, I played some games with my brother and I went to sleep already. So, hence my face being so puffy and yes, neighbor's dog. This is what I look like when I just woke up. Louis, my boyfriend, is on his way here. He's going to help me bring Kiwi to the vet. I promised her that afterwards I'll give her a feast. Hopefully I could drop by the pet shop while she's in the vet to buy maybe just a can of her favorite wet food. And also hopefully we'll be able to pick her up later this evening because the vet said that they're going to check up on her after the operation itself. It might take the whole day, that we'll only be able to pick her up the next day already, or the operation was a success, there weren't any problems detected afterwards, that we could already pick her up the day the operation happened, like evening already. So we're going to bring you to the vet, okay? I'm sorry, baby, you had to suffer like this. No food and water for how many hours? And you still have to do the surgery. Don't worry, after the surgery, you'll be better. You won't suffer anymore during your heat. No more pee marking. Okay, baby Kiwi? I love you. Diretso na kami sa vet. Actually, nakaramdam na si Kiwi eh. We're going to do something with her. So it was a bit difficult to catch her earlier and put her in the carrier. Anyway, she's already here. She's actually very nervous and anxious. She's inside the carrier. She's staring at me and saying, "Mommy, what are you gonna do to me?" Just drop Kiwi to bed. Hindi pa daw sure kung makukuha ko siya mamaya. They're going to contact me anyway. Right now, we're going to the pet store to look for Kiwi's favorite canned wet food. Then afterwards, we're really going to look for something to eat. Maybe just get a takeout. I'll catch you up guys later. Sorry, I forgot to vlog inside the store, but Pet Express lang naman. Bought her wet food in a can. For now, we decided to go to Landers. We're going to eat there, get a pizza or chicken or something, or burger.
With someone you are.
So, pumasok muna kami kasi grocery, maghahanap ng ni goreng. Tapos siguro after, we're going to eat sa may, yun nga, yung resto.
Kasi ever since nag-quarantine, wala na kami mahanap na may goreng sa mga supermarket.
Kala ko ba, ayaw mo magpakita?
Ever since na nag-start yung quarantine, dito lang kami nakakahanap sa Landers ng may goreng. So, we're going to find one.
Vlog mo. Sir, nasa na po ba yung balikbayan box niyo? Naka-coat ka pa ha. Ayan na po yung nahanap. Kanina pa nawawala. Ilan kukunin natin?
Ito, meron sila dito. 5 times 8.
So, ito lang kukunin natin. Pwede pumasok ng grocery para lang sa migore. Sige. Sure ka okay ito ha? Oo. Kukunin ko tong shin ramen. Alam mo yan, naghahanap ako ng gitna ng shin ramen. Samyang. Hindi ko po kaya mag-samyang. Well, kaya pero alam mo yun, the pain is too much. So ito yung sa akin, kay Louie, may goreng tsaka cup noodles.
With someone you are.
May dahilan talaga bakit naglalagay ako ng mask cake. Ang haggard ko, yung pimples ko. Anyway, the food's here. Pero kulang pa yung sa akin eh. I ordered pizza pockets. And tinitira na ni Louie yung fries. We got pizza and then I got chowder. I'm still waiting for the pizza pocket. Wow, nagsalad siya. Alam mo naman.
May nagsasala talaga ako pag dito.
Si Sige, sige. Sabi mo. Hindi naniwala. Let's eat. So, Louis already got the clam chowder because I can't finish it anymore. So, we're here at the kitchen. Actually, we're back already from Landers. Ate some dessert and just did some chores, rested and stuff. We're going to do milk tea because we have black tea here and may gatas na naman, so why not? Ay, by the way, nag-text sa akin kanina yung vet. We can already get kiwi later. Lasang gatas. Pero lasa nga siyang milk tea. So, we're on our way back to the vet. Namimiss ko na yung pusa. Nakakabahan din ako para sa kanya. Thankfully, we're going to pick her up na hindi na kailangan bukas kasi tomorrow, I have to go back to work already. Ito na, we just got home from the vet. She's still adjusting. Bebe, magpahinga ka na. Huwag ka nang umikot-ikot. The vet said that surgery, it's a success and we can still do the normal routine. Finally, she decided to get some sleep after surgery. She's been through a lot. So I guess we'll end the vlog for today. I have to observe and take good care of Kiwi after the surgery. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed joining me with what I did for the 2 days. It's already nighttime. See you next time on my next vlog. Bye!